What's up YouTube, this is MR.PHRESH. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about all things tech. Today we're going to be talking about PowerMusic3 Bluetooth headset. So without a further ado, roll the intro. Okay, so here's the box for the PowerMusic3 Bluetooth headset. I bought this off Instagram. I was just going through my Instagram feed and this thing came up. I had so many rave reviews on it, and basically the only thing you had to pay was a shipping and handling, and I believe I only paid like $5 for it. I will go ahead and leave the link of this headset in the description below if you guys like to check them out. Without a further ado, let's get into it. And as you guys know, if you guys been following me for a while on my YouTube channel, in the beginning, my first couple Bluetooth headset, I just unboxed it and told you guys what it sounded like. But I really wanted to say then after that, a couple of my other Bluetooth headset, I actually wanted to try them and use them for at least 3-4 days before I told you guys what they sound like or were they worth it or whatnot. So that's why I had these headset now for I've been using them for like 3-4 days now. So I just wanted to give you guys my honest opinion. So let's get into it. So with this in the box, there was nothing else. There's just a basic box. They're pretty much Bluetooth headset. They almost look like one of those Beats headset, and basically it has you can do a volume control. It has the ergonomic fit. Comes with stereo. It's a Bluetooth stereo headset. It works with all your Bluetooth devices. Here's the headset. Like I said, it just looks like it's just your typical Bluetooth headset. It has the power button here. Let me see if I can just turn them on real quick. Here they're turned on. Here's your volume up and down, and this also works as your skip and reverse track, and then that's all is to it. These are your headset here, and here's the micro USB cable that came with it, and also it came with a couple of these tips. So it comes with the small one and it came with the medium one. So I did actually end up, so the one that I had in it, the medium one that I had, it came with it, I actually ended up changing it to the larger one because it fit better with the larger one. So that's all the stuff that came with it. It also came with the little user manual. So that's all is to it. So far, I mean, after using this for about 3-4 days, the battery life has been really good. On the website, let's see, it says there are 8 reasons to the PowerMusic3 is rated 1, and it is IPX water resistant rating, extended battery life to 360 hours standby, also has an advanced noise reduction, compatible with all Bluetooth device, superior sound and technology, with the 10mm driver, Bluetooth 4.1, and it has pretty much all your voice prompt, sweat proof, music control, built-in microphone, HD sound, multi-point, and 6 hours of continued use. So this is all in their website, and like I said, I will go ahead and put the link in the description below for you guys to check it out if you guys are interested in. So far, I mean, they're very good. Has a excellent sound quality, so that which I really like. I mean, I do have other Bluetooth headset which, like I have this one right here. These are called Soundpeaks Q30 Pro. These actually sound so much better than this right here. Mind you, most of the time I use this just because I'm just watching. I'm not really using this to like listen to music, but I just have this at home. So if I'm on my iPad watching movie, that's what I use. I also have this other one. These are called KeyDocs. I forgot the model number, but they're made by KeyDocs, and these are also another budget headset, and these are also great. They sound decent. Again, I had these for actually a long time now. I actually just found them. I thought I lost them, but I just found them. So I have these. I have these for a while, and these are great. I mean, I like them too. But again, these sounds extremely good. They're really good. They're definitely has a good, nice sound. Has a decent amount of bass to it. Of course, it's not gonna blow you away. Like if you're used to using Beats by Dre, or if you've seen my other video like the Under Armour Project Rock headset by JBL, it's not gonna be nothing like that. But for $5, I didn't expect that for just paying $5 shipping and handling. So I wasn't even sure first that if they were ever gonna show up, but the shipping was really fast. It came in like 3 or 4 days after I ordered, and they also sent me like a tracking number and everything. So this is definitely legit. You know, I was a little bit skeptical when I ordered it in the beginning, but you know, these are great. So let me actually go ahead and let me turn this camera around. I'll show you guys what it looked like, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's the headset. This is what they look like. I'll go ahead and come closer a little bit so you guys can see. This is the right side, and this is the left side. So here's what they will look like if you put them on. And you know, they're very definitely good snug fit. I mean, they'll not, if you guys can see, they will not move or nothing like that. I actually started using this little clip management that comes with it for your wire, and this is definitely helpful. This helps a lot, you know, to adjust how tight or loose you want, and this definitely helps. So it also comes with this little management clip. And by the way, this also comes in the black version. They have a black one, I believe. Let's see, they have a black one, they have a blue one, and they also have a green one, green and red. So they comes in a different color, so you know, I would pick the color you like. But let me go ahead and I'm gonna just try to see if I can play some music in here and check it out, see what they sound like. Let's see if I can get this to connect here. Okay, so the connecting was pretty easy too. Actually, they connected pretty fast, and it comes up as a GS01. Yeah, GS01. So I mean, there's actually like I didn't see any like a model number or anything like that, but they come at GS1, and they connect really fast, quick. So you know, there's no problem there. So let's go. I'm gonna play some very loud. So if you guys can hear it, I mean, of course, it's not going to do any justice, but definitely has a great, very loud, good enough bass. You know, so this is definitely like, could be a good, like, your, you know, backup workout headphone if you like it. Because the reason I like this is because this fin definitely keeps the headphone secure to your ear. So you know, if you're gonna move it, whatever you're gonna do, it's not going to come off, you know. So that's what I really like about this headset. For the price you're paying, I think you can't never beat it. So I think if you guys are interested in, definitely go ahead and check out the link that I'll put in the description below. But I think other than that, I think that's all I have. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. And until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.